Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the ESP32 DevKit V1, which is pretty much the backbone of most modern DIY automation projects you see online. If you've ever thought about building a smart home system, a remote dashboard, a keypad entry, or even a custom alarm, chances are the project started with this little powerhouse. So, what is it? The ESP32 is a microcontroller, but it's got a secret weapon: built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This means it can connect directly to your phone, the cloud, or the internet without needing any extra hardware. Think of it as the brain for any smart device you want to create. You can feed it data from all sorts of sensors. It processes that information, and then it controls outputs like lights, relays, motors, buzzers, LCD screens, you name it. It's the decision maker in your entire setup. When you first look at this board, you'll see it's lined with 30 pins, and trust me, each one has a purpose. You've got your standard 5 volt, 3.3 volt, and ground pins for power. Then you have GPIO pins, general purpose input-output, which are what you use to control things like relays and LEDs. You also have ADC pins, specifically GPIOs 32 through 39. These are perfect for analog sensors that measure things like voltage, temperature, or motion. It even has touch-sensitive pins you can use to create cool, modern interfaces. Now, here's a pro tip that a lot of tutorials just skip over, and it can save you a ton of frustration. Pay close attention to GPIO pins 0, 2, and 15. If you're not careful and you connect a relay to one of these, your ESP32 might just refuse to boot. It's a classic mistake that can be super embarrassing when your project fails to start. Professional engineers know to avoid these for outputs, and you should too. For reliable automation, stick to pins like 4, 5, 21, 22, 23, and then 25, 26, and 27. That's the sweet spot for most projects. Powering your ESP32 is really simple to start. Just plug in a standard USB cable. But if you're building something permanent that needs to run 24/7, you'll want to supply stable 5-volt power directly to the 5-volt pin. A great choice is a 5-volt 2-amp power adapter, especially if you're driving multiple relays or a power-hungry LCD screen. Using a weak or unstable power supply is a recipe for disaster. It will cause your system to glitch, freeze, and randomly restart. As a pro, you need to protect your uptime, so always invest in good, clean power. It makes all the difference. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into DIY electronics. See you in the next one.